Mm, okay. Anyways, we'll probably have a recess pretty soon. Um, so my goal is really is for you guys to be able to understand why we do projects. Understand the basis of HR and as it applies to ERP. It's very very key. Um, Everything boils down to people having the necessary skills to operate, then knowing exactly where they are supposed to be within the organization. So HR should have a holistic, picture of, how these people are, being engaged. You cannot just be raising expectations from people without ensuring that you are giving them all the tools they need to be able to be productive. You know, so that's basically it. Um, I think yeah. So I think we might first probably take a break. Let's take a break. Is there any questions you want to ask? So that we'll come back. So I think when we come back, one of the things I want us to actually do is for you guys, one of you guys are actually going to go through the whole employee life cycle. From the job openings, you create a job opening, um, you create a job offer. Now, I don't expect you to be able to do it. I will guide you through the process. As I guide you through the process, you'll be able to understand how these things are being done. You know, right now it's just talk, talk, talk. You're just seeing, looking, too much information. But with this one, you will actually say, okay, create a job opening. You create a job opening. Create a job off. And then, before I forget, HR people, you need to know how to write. You need to know how to write. Writing is one of the skills that you need to have as a HR person. You don't send emails and be using funny tenses or be using Nigerian English to send email. Trust me, you will learn. Don't think that you know it. You will learn on the job. I learned on the job. So when you send your first emails, don't be embarrassed. Just focus on learning. And by the time you understand how you write here, then you wouldn't have a problem. Yeah. So you have access to. I'm going to create. I'm going to create an access. Give you access to. Just do it now. Um,
Okay.
Let me create your account now. Okay, let's go here. Mhm. Okay, so it's all go dot.
AGO GBUA GBUA.
Gmail, right?
No, so AGOGB
HGOGB.
GBUA. Yes, at Gmail.
Okay. So yeah. So once I save this, it's gonna send you an email. Not today. Maybe Chris. To send you an email. Then I will now come here and update your permissions. So here, with these accounts, I give you guys admin, meaning that you guys can actually you can do everything. These are all the roles. You can manage basically everything in the system. So it gives you an idea of how the ERP works. Let's say, yeah, hmm employees. not create an employee. So now it's one thing to create a user, it's another thing to create an employee. The user is the one that's going to have access to the system. You know, if you go to, if you come here, let's see, so go to the under settings. I go to view website. When I come here, I go to my account. Now, we don't have projects here. So we can come here to, you guys can see my screen, right?
I can see it, sir. Very clear.
Yes.
Okay. So I'll go to desk. So what I want to show you now is how you can actually access projects without even having to go to all this long thing. We're accessing the system. And this thing, we're going to make it into an app. So project role is admin. Let's see. System manager. Oh, yeah. Let's make it all. So, let's see. Okay, I think I know what I did. I need the second one. Okay, so this is it. So I come here and I put project. Are you seeing what I'm doing? What people are seeing what I'm doing?
Sure, sir. We can see.
Okay. Can you see projects here? Can you see?
I can see it, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so on your phone, so basically what's happening here is that we can assign projects to people without even them having access into the back end of OYASync, of the ERP. And they can see all the projects that have been assigned to them and all the tasks that have been assigned to them, and, they wouldn't even have access to, because this one still has some things, it's still not permitted. So all the permissions, I need to make sure that all the permissions are put in there properly. But the goal really is to be able to create, manage as many people as possible. They will only see projects that have been assigned to them. If it's not been assigned to them, they will not be able to see it. If you go to your Tiki and Henry account, you will see that, and you go to, all of you should go. Let's come here. Let me do something. How do you? anymore. Okay. How do you expand this thing now? I'm trying to expand my this kind something with this. Okay, let me get this. Okay. So I've done my account here. You can see job application. So all the job applications, you can see it here. So if I give you permission as a website user only, the only thing you're going to be seeing is when you log in, everything that's assigned to you here, like projects and everything, you'll be able to see it here. You will not have access to the backend. And that's basically one of the things we're going to be doing, roles and permissions. Yeah, so I think for the moment we'll leave it for now. We can come back at let's reconvene at 1 o'clock. Is that okay?
Okay.
It's fine, sir.
Yeah. So
That's fine.
what I would suggest you do is that you people have access to the other accounts. You can send me a private message if you need any assistance. But yeah, that's about it.
Okay, sure.
All right, guys. I will talk to you later. Yeah. Cheers. Mhm.
Thank you.